I still expect the heaviest snow out of the system to remain well to our north, although we could get a coating to an inch blowing around tomorrow. The rest of this evening, rain snow mix expected here. A quick coating, a slushy coating still possible. We'll go over to rain showers later this evening with that gusty wind continuing. In fact, the temperatures go up overnight. We'll be back into the 40s 2-3 o'clock in the morning, and then the temperature drops very fast again early tomorrow morning, and we're over to snow showers on and off, especially through midday tomorrow. Those will scatter out later tomorrow afternoon. Then they do return again tomorrow night with that gusty weather continuing. Tonight, windy, gusts up to 50 miles per hour. Rain, snow this evening, over to rain showers, then back to snow showers toward morning. I don't look for a lot of snow. A quick coating, a slushy coating here or there. Tomorrow, a high of 30, windy with snow showers expected. Gusts up to 45 miles per hour, possibly higher. A coating to an inch of snow possible. Still the chance of some snow showers on Sunday, especially early. Monday looks dry, just cold. Tuesday, the chance of snow sneaks back in, but then we dry back out Wednesday, and then another chance of snow later next week. Temperatures stay cold, though, all the way through your 7-day forecast.